This video shows how to properly change the pump in your Portacool Jetstream 240 portable evaporative cooler. To begin, ensure the evaporative cooler is unplugged and on a level surface. Remove the media flap from the back of the evaporative cooler and then remove the Cool Comfort evaporative media. Once the evaporative media has been set aside, remove the screws from the control box cover. The control box cover should come off easily. Find the pump motor cord in the control box and disconnect the cord from the switch. Cut the zip ties holding the electrical cord to the fan brace, making sure not to cut the wires. Remove the hose and clamp from the water adjustment valve inside the evaporative cooler. Then unscrew the 3 screws on the outside of the evaporative cooler housing that holds the pump bracket in place. Remove the old pump and bracket from the evaporative cooler housing. Remove the hose and clamp from the old pump and unscrew the bracket from the pump. Set aside the old pump. Screw the bracket onto the new pump and attach the hose and clamp to the new pump. Reattach the bracket to the housing using 3 screws. Connect the hose and pump to the water adjustment valve. Connect the new pump wire to the switch in the control box, then gently place all cords back in the control box and place the cover back on, securing it with screws. Secure the electrical wires to the fan brace with zip ties and clip the ends. Replace the evaporative media, beginning on the outer edges and working towards the center. Be sure to pay close attention to the stickers on the evaporative media. The arrow sticker should point up and inward on each piece. Replace the evaporative media flap and secure it with screws.